Zubeen Garg, the legendary voice of Assam, has left an indelible mark on the music industry with over 38,000 songs to his name. But now, after his untimely passing, there's confusion surrounding his music rights and earnings. Siddharth Sharma, Zubeen's longtime manager, spoke out recently to clear the air and address the speculations. On Friday, he issued a statement to explain the singer's music catalogue and earnings. In his statement, Sharma revealed that the majority of Zubeen's extensive work is legally owned by different music companies and production houses. Despite Zubeen's massive contribution to music, Sharma explained that the singer received one-time payments for most of his iconic tracks. Sharma clarified, almost all of Zubeen Das' songs, even the biggest blockbusters, were done before I entered his life. He often lamented how he was shortchanged, with producers and labels earning crores while he received only modest payments. This can be verified with those companies directly. In 2021, Zubeen took steps to regain control over some of his later works by launching Zubeen Garg Music LLP. The venture released 20 songs with an investment of 10 lakh rupees, where Zubeen himself contributed 6 lakh rupees. But, Sharma explained, the LLP has generated only a few thousand rupees monthly so far. The entire amount remains in the company account, with no withdrawals. Zubeen owns 60% of the firm, and Sharma is determined to ensure that his family inherits this stake. He also mentioned that royalties from Zubeen's work as a composer and lyricist always went directly into the singer's personal account. And now, these royalties will pass on to Zubeen's wife, Garima Garg. Sharma firmly denied accusations that he exploited Zubeen's trust or finances. He said, "These rumors are baseless and deeply hurtful. I have cooperated with the Special Investigation Team, SIT, probing his death and will continue to do so." In a final plea, Sharma requested that Zubeen's fans and the public not be swayed by misinformation. "Let the investigation proceed without fear or prejudice," he said. "We owe it to Zubeen Das' memory to pursue truth with dignity." As the investigation continues, Zubeen Garg's legacy remains a source of inspiration and love for millions. Let's honor his memory with respect and truth.